Today we're taking a look at the latest issue of Steam Days magazine. This is the April 2022 edition and it's available now. Steam Days is packed full of interesting articles and regular features, but here are 3 highlights to look out for. Firstly, we have the wonders of Wood Green. Where the King's Cross main line meets the south end of the Hertford Loop, Andrew Britton recalls how in 1961 this suburban station was a meeting point for friends wishing to enjoy top-link steam at work. Secondly, we have our Steam Days in Colour feature. This edition is focused on the Yorkshire Coast Steam, north from Scarborough. These are cherished railways to many enthusiasts. We cover the former North Eastern Railway routes that link Scarborough, Robin Hood's Bay, Whitby and onwards to Loftus and towards the Tees. And our third feature to look out for is Oxley's Britannia Pacifics. Steve Bartlett looks at the story behind the 3 newly allocated Britannia Pacifics at this ex-GWR depot for the summer 1965 timetable period. The April issue of Steam Days is available now in shops and online, but if you subscribe then you can save money on every issue. To see our latest subscription offers, just go to classicmagazines.co.uk/digital22sd. Thank you for watching.